OSPF is very finicky when it comes to timers, but they can be manipulated. Bearing that in mind, because the hello packet communicates the hello and dead timers inside of the packets themselves, we need to be mindful that we've got to match these up perfectly in order for adjacencies to form. With that in mind, let's take a look at how we do this. Hellos control the frequency that we send those packets out that maintain and form adjacencies. On a fast network, on a high-speed network, these are going to be sent every 10 seconds. On all other network types, they are going to be sent every 30 seconds. So frame relay, think 30 seconds. The hello timer is 1/4 the dead interval. Or let's say that another way. They have quadrupled the hello interval to show us the dead interval. Let's see if that holds true. So if I were to look at an interface, I'll do show IP OSPF interface. This is a high-speed network, high-speed interface. Our hello time is 10 seconds. Our dead interval is 40. Yep, 4 times the hello is 40 seconds. That works out. If you want to manipulate these, you can. We're not saying you should, but we're just saying you can. And if you did want to manipulate that, you can see that. By the way, this can be debugged. So I'm going to set up a mismatch, and then you'll see with the debug IP OSPF hello that we can observe the issue. So we'll turn that on, debug IP OSPF. We'll say hello. And then I'll go to an adjacent router. The adjacent router here in question is going to be R3. I'm just going to, so R3's interface to R4 is gig 3/0. That's kind of annoying, isn't it? We're just scrolling up, but that's the nature of a debug. 3.1. Is that right? 3.0. Okay. I'll say IP OSPF, and then we see, I'll scroll up. Dead interval and hello interval. There's really nothing to it, okay? There's nothing to it. So I'm just going to say hello interval. The default is 10. Let's make it really aggressive with 3. And we'll go back over to R4 now, and we're going to see that we've got mismatched timers. So I'm going to just do you all to slow things down. This says I've received a hello with a 3-second timer. The R says received, but I am configured for 10 seconds. I've received a packet, a hello packet, that says it is using a dead timer of 12. That was derived by the 4 times ratio of the hello packet to the dead interval. But I'm configured for 40. So what we need to do is we need to reset this in order for neighborships to form. Let's just make sure we view our neighborships, or the lack thereof. I'm on R4, so I'm not paired with R3. You can see I'm paired with R5 and R6. So this is exactly as described. We'll just up arrow, change that. We'll reform our adjacency. But that is how we manipulate timers for OSPF.